how to make use of our column. So today class, we're looking at how to make use of our column in layouts, how to set columns, and how to also use our draw cap, and how to also make use of pictures and shapes. We're learning how to create something like magazines and newsletter. So what you do, first of all, click on layouts. Click on layout, click on columns. On that column, I decide to use two columns. You divide your column into two columns. I can say three columns. Divide your column into 1, 2, and 3 columns. So this is how you divide your columns into columns. So to divide it like a stanza, sometimes all the church in a magazine, a newspaper. If you want to create columns, so that's how you create a column. Well, that's the type of newsletter in church or in your organization. If you want to type a newsletter. The next is to apply drop cap. I will select the E, which is the first letter here, and I click on insert. Under insert, you have drop cap. So you just click on drop cap here. On the default, it will drop on 3 lines, alright, which is 1, 2, 3 lines. So the default set is always drop on 3 lines, 1, 2, and then 3. So if you want to customize it, I want to drop on either 2 lines or 1 line. I click on this arrow here, click on this side, I click on more drop cap options, then I click on drop cap. I decide to reduce it to 2. It affects the E there, because that is another paragraph. Your drop cap will start from the paragraph. That does not affect the arrow. But look at what you have. You have 1 and what? 2, which means I've dropped this part on 2 lines. I can start to come to this other part too. We also want to call the inline. Let me just show this one too. This is called in margin paragraph. It will be outside, it will not be inside, it will be outside the margin. It's called the in margin drop cap. So that's how I create the drop cap. Then if I want to now use picture, you click on insert. I want to add picture to my newsletter. I choose any of this picture here. Then insert my picture. So wrap text, square your text to give you the accurate position you want to square. I can have something like this. So this is how we have this. If I want to apply another column on this, I'll just click on insert, shape. On that shape, draw a rectangle. I want to apply my rectangle to this point here. So bring it here. Move to your wrap text. Click on wrap text. Under wrap text, you have what you call behind text. So click on that and apply your color. Choose the color that you like on your text. So this is how you create stuff like this. So I have this. I want to have heading. For example, I can use my insert word art. So this is a bonus for us. Word art, and just click on my word art. So I can type with my word art. For example, I'm talking about email, about history of email. Let's say, what is email? EMAIL. So I'll take it to the top. Expand it. So that's how you create this one. Any question? So we have our newsletter. So that is how you create a newsletter. So you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us, like, and make your comments. Thank you.